welcome to this 20-minute water flow. We are going to start standing. We're going to work our way down. We're going to take on the quality of water, let it flow, let it go. We start with the ball between our legs, foot centers are anchored, inner thighs, knees and ankles pulling together like magnets, lifting up yet pulling that scapula down. And we're going to inhale, we're going to lift the arms up. Inhale for 4. Palms come together, exhale, just pulling down through the center line. Calibrating right between the eyes. We lift those arms up. And exhale. Again, we lift. And exhale, lower. Flip the hands forward. And let's hinge at the hips. Lengthen the spine, lift through the abs, send the tailbone back. We're going to release the arms down to the high arc. Keep the neck nice and long. Keep the weight over the toes, not back in the heels. We're going to bend through the knees and arch the back. As we get into our fire breath, exhale, full breath to lift. Again, inhale. We lift, stretch. Once more. And lift. Lift those heels up. Feel the weight of the head. Keep your neck nice and long. Hollow out through the belly. Lower the heels. Flatten the back. Again. Lift those heels. And we lower. 2 more. We lift. Lower those heels. And once more. Lower those heels. We're going to bend the knees, grab the ball, place the ball, take a little step back. We're going to squeeze in our knee pit. So really squeeze, hold on to your ball, and we're going to stretch, lift the belly, hollowing out. Again, we coming down, squeeze behind that knee. And lengthen. 2 more. Deep squeeze. That ball is hitting the back of your knee. We go. Good. Now bring your hands to the high arch. Lower your knees. Just kick your feet back just a tiny bit. And we're in a 4 starch. We're going to slowly work through that Achilles by slowly pressing down through those heels. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the floor. We're here to just move through that opposition. Lengthen, pull that scapula down. Again, coming forward. And take it back. And bring it forward. Let's bounce it out. Keep the heels high. Let's go. Let's do 4 more sets. Inhale. Last set. Nice. And we're going to bring now the top of our feet. So rest the top of your feet down. And we're going to sit up. Tailbone is lengthened. So uncurl those toes. Yeah. And feel that stretch through the ankle. Feel that lift. We're lifting from the tailbone to the base of the skull. We're going to lift those arms up. And inhale here. And now tuck your pelvis forward. Lengthen that spine in a diagonal. So long neck, shoulders back, that's it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and diagonal. Hips forward, more, yes. Take the arms to your hips, and we sit. Again, tuck first. Let that ripple up through the spine, and we come down to seated position. Circle those arms. Again, nice flowing movements. The motion of flow is like the ocean. So feel that energy through your fingertips. And let's reverse that motion. The motion of the ocean. Keeping that fire lit through the breath. Inhaling all the light. Exhaling all that darkness. And bringing the hands to the arc. Send the tailbone back. And now tuck here. And we're going to roll up, articulate up through the spine. So now we're lifted up on the knees. We're going to take the right arm back. Now pull the scapula together. Shoulders are down. Everything is lifting up. We're going to press into that ball, arcing back. Shoot that energy out the scapula. And we lift. Again. Two more. Nice high arm. Lift. Just take that ride. Remembering the neck is like a straw. Keep the air flowing in and out. Take your ball. We're going to come seated into child's pose as we roll into it through the arch. Let that water ripple through the spine. Release through the head. And articulate up. Stack your spine. Lift. And then we arch. And roll it up. Nice and easy. Inhale. We lift. Two more. And arch. Get that full reach on that last breath. And 2 full breaths to lift. Pull back into that contraction. And up. Up. Last time. Now pull the ball in. And we're going to come on up. And let's come on over the ball. Let's stretch our legs behind us. Now, don't let your low back ups. Lift up. Lift up. We're going to paddle through the heels. Back and front. Again. 2 more steps. We go. Back and front. Last breath. Nice. Place those hands down. Now let's lift the back of the legs up. And let's tip ourselves forward. Get those legs high. Pull up, lift. Reach through the ground. Here we go. Press. Nice high legs. Just like this seesaw, we lift. Anchor 2, more like that. Squeeze inner thighs, knees, and ankles. Pull them together. Up. Don't deviate from that center line. As you lower, feel your scapula rolling down the back and up. Now rotate the legs out. Let's do the claps. Just warming up the glutes. Wake them up. Now let's do little crisscrosses, little changes. 3 more sets. 2 more steps, here we go. Nice, and release down. Soften the hip flexors, release through the tailbone. And we're going to come up, take that left foot up, take the right foot up. Now we're gonna open the legs wide in second. And we're gonna turn and stretch, opening that hip. Holding on to that ball. And if you want, you can even place the ball underneath your knee pit. Let's breathe it out in 412, shall we? Find that deep breath. So rest your thigh on the arc. Let's take that right hand, arm, fingertips up and around. And from here, we're going to do the reverse. Again. And let's come back to that second position. And then place the ball underneath your right knee. Make sure that quad is resting. If not, if you want to pick yourself up, you just get that stretch. And let's bring it front. Picking up the pace a little bit. And forward. Nice. And grab the ball. Take your hands. Try to bounce that ball. If it falls off, it's okay. We're going to twist that right knee in. And we're going to open back to second. Turn those feet out and twist. And twist. Now let's walk ourselves forward. We're going to sit on our ball. And we're going to pick up our 10-pound arm straps. Now they should either be laced through the second rib or the third. Depending on the exercise, it becomes more challenging or less challenging. Line up the heel with the edge of the Aireforme. And here we go. We're going to lift these arms up. Palms lift to the ceiling. We fold. Palms face in. And we open. Close. And open. Rotate to the right, we go. Come in center. Maintain that relationship from your head to your elbow. Find your geometry. We're making 90-degree angles. And lift to rotate. Working through that full range of motion. Working on finding stabilization in the joint, lift up to creation. Again, 3 more. 2 more, we go. Again. And we close those arms, flip the palms, release. Now, we're going to have a seat. Base the ball between your legs. Roll down 4 times through the spine. We're going to pick the arms up, palms. So make sure you wrap your thumb around. First, lift the palms to the ceiling. Rotate your hands and make sure they're shoulder width. We're going to start with our contraction. Here we go. Articulating 3, through the sacrum, through the lumbar, anchor and get that lumbar flush through the thoracic, and find your extension. Listen to your body, find your in-range arms first. Lift that head, keep the neck long. Peeling up. As you lift, press back even more into that lumbar. Reach. Here we go. Again, shoulders go down. Here's 3, and 2. In that belly, that fire lit. Soften those hip flexors. Nice. And let's take a nice juicy circle all the way back, all the way around. And again, reach through those arms, take it back. Those arms, reach it up, and lift, lift, nice. Find this vertical line. And we're going to come around the rope. We're going to roll down the right side of the spine. One more breath. Bring it, the arms horizontal through the center, over to the left side of your spine. Now we lift, up, to the left, rolling down, peel. Try to feel every inch of that trunk. Loosening up and lengthening your flexor spinning muscles. Breathing and birthing new pathways. Calming that nervous system that runs along the spine. And reaching. Again, last time, here we go. Deep contraction, pull back. And those arms. Nice, find your wingspan. Pull back into a contraction, keep the elbows high. Again, open, open. And close. And we lift. Up. Lift the sternum. And lift. Up. Last time. Elbows stay high. And little circles. And reverse. We're only doing 2 sets. And pull the arms forward. And let's take our shoulders front, up, and back. Roll through those shoulders. And back. Right arm back. Left arm back. And lift up. Again, here we go. And slide. And reach through those knees. And we slide. And lift. And let's come on down into the seat. And then we're going to take the ball behind our back. And we're going to glide into an arc. So find the center of your spine. Stay connected to that center line. You're going to carefully lift through those hips. And it takes some core work just to stabilize on that ball, and carefully you want to reach back. Oh, make sure your legs are wide and framing the Aireforme, and you want to slide back and forth and allow that spine to expand and find extension. And breathe. This position feels so relaxing, calming the nervous system. And bring yourself up back down to a seated position and lift on up. And exhale, deepen the belly, contract. Just hollowing out. And again, as we lift, opening through the sternum. Exhale, deepen the belly. And we're breathing in 412 as we in. Exhale, deepen the belly. Pull that navel to the spine, hollowing out. Nice soft hip flexors. Keep that exhalation going. And last time to complete the workout. Exhale, deepen. And now, while you're nice and relaxed, just lift those arms up and around. Take the palms together and pull down through that center line. Lift up through the crown. And we lift out of those hips, finding a diagonal line. We open. Keeping that head on top of that neck as we lift those arms up. Gathering ourselves, gathering the core, pulling the rib cage together, and we conclude pulling down into the heart space. Thank you for honoring yourself today with this piece.